Today I'll try to learn how to make some Thai food. We start by going through a local market where Anne, our cooking instructor for the day, will be showing us around and helping us pick the ingredients that we need for the Thai dishes that I hopefully will learn how to cook today. Lemongrass.
But galango is not really fresh.
What is this?
Galango.
Mango.
Galango. So when you make Thai paste, you must have this lemongrass, galango.
This is fresh tofu.
It's good for make a stuffing
Ah,
with a cucumber.
it's good. I thought it was cheese first.
Yeah, it looks like cheese, yeah, because it's not smelly.
After getting everything we need, it is time to start cooking. This is for the soup.
Cucumber
soup. Got some tofu, garlic. We got mushroom. This is tofu. And onion.
Onion.
And then the
And
center.
flour.
That's
Green curry, red curry, yellow curry. Should be sweet, salty, first. Sweet first.
let it cook for a few minutes. And then next up, it is papaya salad.
This is for make the dressing, okay?
So when you put the lime, you throw in the whole lime in.
Yeah, and for the fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
open and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Papaya salad should be sweet, salty, and sour.
After all that work, it is time to enjoy these dishes. I completely forgot to record that, but here they are. I want to thank Anne for a great lesson, and I would recommend her class to anyone thinking about some Thai classes if you're in Chiang Rai. Till next time, 再见.